Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to clean the front camera glass. This is for the Juniper 2026 Model Y, but it will also be applicable to pretty much any model 2024 and up with hardware 4. Now check out what happens after a while with the assembly. You see these sections, you see how there's blobs. And that's because of the off-gassing of the plastics and other stuff. And the way to know if you actually need this, I've noticed that whenever I'm driving with FSD against the sun, FSD will initiate a windshield clean. I realized this is happening more often, and I decided this is the time I need to clean this. Now, the Tesla service is pretty far away. I don't want to take my car there, and they claim that there's no mobile service. So let's do it. All right, great. So now that we've seen it from the outside, let me show you also another way to check the cameras. So you go to the car menu, then you go to service, then you go to the camera preview. Now we'll go to the main. So this is the main, and you can also go wide on that one. And it's not too bad, honestly. You can see how there's some fogginess, okay? And I bet you with some movement with the way that the sun goes and the light rays, it can get a little distracting for the cameras. Okay, so first step is to remove this piece, and the best way to do it is to just press on it from both sides and remove it. Okay, now let me show you how it looks like. You see these clips? That's how they attach to the top. So when you squeeze it, it lets it come down. That's the first step. The next step is to remove, I don't know what this is, it's from factory, but the next step is to remove the cable. And to remove the cable, basically bring a pick like this and press it from the back. Okay. Just like that. Put the pick aside, you don't want it to pick anything. Next step is to rotate the camera to the left. Okay, the whole assembly. See how it comes out? Just like that. Put that aside. Next step, we need to get this thing down. So what we do is we can come from here and gently, let's put this aside here, gently press down. There we go. Now, I don't think it's needed to remove the entire piece here to get access, but the next step is to get this part down. Now, let me show you the clips. These are the clips right there, right here. So these are what's basically holding this disassembly in it. They're very, you could just go one side and then the other side, and the whole thing will just come down. Now you can see, I don't know if the camera can see, but you can see that there is quite of the fuming there. Yeah. All right, so let me put gloves on and we're gonna go ahead and clean it. All right, so apparently these lens wipes already have the cleaning solution in them. So let me see if they clean the windshield well. All right, let's take it and take a look. Cool, that looks good. So now we can take the camera lens thingy and pop it back in. Okay. Now we can take the whole assembly and pop it back in. And now we can take the camera and gently put it back, and then connect the connector, and then put this one back. And that's it. Now let's see how it looks from the outside. Should have probably done it before, but I've noticed that it was clean. So let's take a look. Now it's completely clean, and I won't have the issues where the sun hits it and it cleans it because it thinks that it's dirty. And now we're good. All right. If you found this video useful, please thumb up, subscribe, put in your comments. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.